Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a drive through downtown Kingston. We are on North Street heading downtown. So on the left is the Gleaner Company, and they've been at this location for hundreds of years, from I think the 1800s. And now right here we are on North Street, but North Street continues left. So on the left, that's North Street. So we are now going on to East Street, and East Street will take us all the way down. So downtown Kingston is a very busy place. It's one of the busiest places in Kingston. Halfway Tree is the busiest place, and then downtown Kingston probably. It's between, downtown Kingston is busier than New Kingston because it's a bigger area. Now, this area, this is where you used to have the head office for a lot of institutions, banks, the police, all the government, or not almost, a lot of government agencies are down here still, but a lot of other banks have moved their head offices uptown, and even the police head office is now uptown. But downtown Kingston is where everything used to happen back in the day. So you're going to see a lot of old buildings, but the government is trying to rehabilitate downtown Kingston. So a lot of activities going on down here. You have a lot of buildings going up. Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade recently opened a very nice building on the waterfront, and Grace Kennedy opened their head office down here, and so did Digicel. And ROK Hotel opened up down here as well. And some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are located in downtown Kingston on Ocean Boulevard, overlooking the Kingston Pier. The Kingston Pier, but the Kingston Harbor. So we're going to give you a tour of everywhere. So we're on East Street heading towards Port Royal Street. Now, because downtown is so busy, it has a one-way system. A lot of the roads in downtown Kingston are one-way. So straight ahead now on the right, that is the Air Jamaica building. Now, Air Jamaica used to be the national airline of Jamaica, and in my opinion, it's the nicest airline I have ever flown on. But it doesn't operate anymore. They closed down. But that building, I think the UDC operates the building that still has the name Air Jamaica. Now, straight ahead is the Bank of Jamaica building. And this building is actually the Central Bank for Jamaica. Hi, afternoon. The bank lobby open still? 1 o'clock. So tomorrow there's 1 o'clock they close up? Alright, thanks. So straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbor. Okay, so straight ahead now on the left is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade building. Very nice building. Every government agency should have a building that looks like this. And then over here now is the Grace Kennedy building, and Grace Kennedy is one of the largest companies in Jamaica. I mean, they make everything. They're in almost every business, from Western Union to manufacturing food. They even own supermarkets. And look at the size of their building. The government building is like twice the size of the Grace Kennedy building. And I guess it's taxpayers built the government building. But it's just something to note. But two very nice buildings. Alright, we're going to head down to Ocean Boulevard now, and then you're going to see some really nice buildings. Some more, I should say. Now, the Bank of Jamaica building we looked at earlier is one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. It's on the list of the 10 tallest buildings. The list recently changed because the tallest building in Jamaica used to be the Pegasus at 17 floors. But the Rogers apartment building on Waterloo Avenue has reached 18 floors, and that building is going all the way to 20 floors. So that building is now the tallest building in Jamaica. So the list changed, and this is going to change again because the Ascent is being built, and that's 27 floors, but they haven't reached very far with that one yet. Okay, so on the left now is the Scotia Centre, and that used to be the second tallest building in Jamaica. So this is now the third tallest building in Jamaica. It's 16 floors. So we are now on Port Royal Street, heading towards Ocean Boulevard. And Ocean Boulevard is what you call prime real estate in Jamaica. It is that road overlooks the Kingston Harbor, which is the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. Prime real estate. And that's where we're going to find some more buildings. And these buildings we're going to look at are also among the 10 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Some of them. So this is Port Royal Street, and you can drive right through downtown Kingston on Port Royal Street. A part of this road was actually renovated under the Port Royal Street Redevelopment project. Very nicely done. After we drive on Ocean Boulevard, we're going to go and show you that road. It's a pity they didn't renovate the entire road, but these things take time and money. Now you notice we just passed a lot of old buildings that look like they need to be demolished. So this is Princess Street we're going across, or is it Orange Street? Alright, so we're now going to turn left on Ocean Boulevard. If we continued straight, we would take Port Royal Street down to Marcus Garvey Drive, which then takes us by the wharf, Kingston Wharf. But we're going to turn left here. So on the left here now, that is the Digicel building, and that's the head office for Digicel in the entire Caribbean. I think Jamaica is the largest English-speaking country in the Caribbean. Cuba geographically is larger, but they speak Spanish. So This is the Digicel building. Now straight ahead is the UDC building. What's the name of this building? This is one of the tallest buildings. It's on the list of the 10 tallest. I'm going to tell you the name of the building soon. This is Office Center building. That's the name of it. And this is Ocean Boulevard. So to the right is the Kingston Harbor. Now on the left is Ocean Towers. This is a residential building. The one that we just looked at is a commercial building. And then this one now is the ROK Hotel. And then to the right is Ocean 7. Okay, why have they blocked off this road? Okay, I guess something is happening down here, maybe some event. That is the Jamaica Conference Center on the left, and that is the second largest conference center in Jamaica. Okay, so that's the Kingston Harbor straight ahead. I think we can go up this one. This is King Street. As we said, there are a lot of one-ways down here. So this is the entrance to the ROK Hotel. So this is Port Royal Street straight ahead, and we're going to go across Port Royal Street and then turn onto Harbour Street, and then we're going to drive down to the new section of Port Royal Street. So we are now on Harbour Street, and we can see the Air Jamaica building and the Grace Kennedy building from this angle.